Tired of fumbling for buttons to wake or sleep your Android phone? This simple trick can make your life a whole lot easier. First things first, let's unlock the magic Navigate to your phone settings app. The familiar gear icon that holds all the secrets to your device. Now, depending on your Android version and phone model, you'll be looking for a specific section. It might be under Display, Advanced Features, Motions and Gestures, or something similar. Don't worry if it's not named exactly the same. Just scan for options related to gestures or interaction. Once you've found the right spot, you'll see a list of cool gestures. Your mission, should you choose to accept it, is to locate double tap to wake, or a similar phrase, like double tap to turn on. Off-screen, tap on it to enable it. You'll usually see a toggle switch or a checkbox next to this feature. Simply slide it or tap it to turn it on. Congratulations, you've just unlocked a powerful new way to interact with your phone. Some devices even let you fine-tune this feature. You might find options to adjust the sensitivity of the double tap, making it quicker or requiring a slightly more deliberate tap. Play around with these settings to find what feels most natural for you. Now for the fun part. With the feature enabled, simply tap your screen twice, firmly but not aggressively, and watch it spring to life. Your phone will wake up, ready for action. And the best part, you can often use this same double tap action on your blacked out screen to instantly turn it off. It's like a secret handshake for your smartphone, saving you from hunting for that power button. This little trick is perfect for when your phone is on a desk, charging, or just within easy reach. It's an instant shortcut that adds a layer of convenience and accessibility to your daily Android experience. So there you have it. Master the double tap and make your Android interaction smoother than ever. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your tech-savvy friends.